What's going on, bee risers? Hope you're doing well. And if you're not doing well, I hope this video helps you out. We're talking about 5 foods to eliminate mucus. And I talk a lot about mucus. Why is mucus so bad in the body? And so many of us have it and don't even realize. So there are mucus forming foods, and we're gonna get into that in another video. And these mucus forming foods, what happens is when we eat them, they are foreign to the body. So the body will create mucus to really protect tissues and organs from these foreign foods, these toxins, maybe medications, even some of the fragrances in the air, perfumes or neurotoxins. And we really have to care for our bodies and really start cleansing our bodies and start taking this mucus out. Because over time, too much mucus in the body can lead to various diseases. This mucus can turn into cysts, even hardened masses, tumors. And if we just keep consuming these acidic foods, these foreign foods, these masses can keep growing. So the mucus comes from the mucosa lining. And this lining is right from our mouth down to our GI tract. So you can see if we eat a lot of these mucus forming foods, we can create lots of mucus in the body. And 5 foods to eliminate this mucus. The first one, a lot of you bees will know. Actually, a lot of you bees will know all of these. Grapes. Now, grapes are high in water content, and they're very good cleansers and detoxifiers for the body, particularly the dark grapes. So I love dark grapes. I love, if I can find organic, of course. And these grapes, and a lot of the foods I'm talking about today, are hit from the sun. So they're high in electromagnetic energy. And what does that mean? Well, it means that they are electrically charged. So they're really good at moving out lymphatic waste, this mucus, parasites. So they have energy to them. And this is what we need. We need this energy to start moving lymph. And I love grapes. They are so delicious, and they are just super gentle for the ovaries and the kidneys. So try to get in as many dark grapes as you can. The next food, number 2, would be berries. Now, berries, just look at the colors of them. Really, really detoxifying for your glands. Your kidneys, your ovaries, your adrenal glands. So try to get in as a variety of berries. I also love if you can get local and fresh, because I've noticed I've gotten a lot of mucus out when the berries are fresh and locally grown. That has just gotten so much mucus out. And I'm actually getting some out right now with some Saskatoons. They are local in my area and just super detoxifying. Really good for pulling out mucus. And they're delicious, so they're easy to eat. You can pack them in your smoothies, just eat them whole. They're really, really good for you. The third food is melons. Melons are high water content, so really hydrating the body, hydrating the liver. We're talking about watermelon, honeydew melon, cantaloupe. They're gonna move lymph aggressively. So be careful. You may have to take it slow, but really just start bringing in as much melons as possible. And some people, you have to take it slow and just really just start chewing in your mouth. Start chewing the melons in your mouth. And these are very, very astringent, these melons. So they're really good at pulling on your GI tract. So you'll notice after eating them, you may have to go to the washroom right after, and that's good because you're going to start eliminating. And this is what it's all about in cleansing the body. It's all about getting our eliminative organs open and functioning. The next food would be your citrus. So ripe, if you can, oranges, grapefruit. These are also very astringent fruits, very powerful in pulling out mucus. They're very, very good cleansers for the body. So whether you want to do like lemonade, get some lemons in, lemon water, start eating oranges whole, make sure you can get them ripe too if you can, and grapefruit. So these are also hit from the sun, very, very high in electromagnetic energy. So really good at pulling out mucus and lymph, getting that lymph moving. The last one I've recently been eating, and I'm going to come out in another video talking about how it's important to rotate your fruits and vegetables, because I noticed when we start rotating and experimenting with different fruits, you're going to notice a lot more cleansing powers, and that would be cherries. Cherries I've been doing, and it's been working so well in detoxifying the liver. So cherries, again, you just look at these little cherries. A lot of these fruits also look like our organs and glands. So very good for the kidneys and the adrenal glands, very good at detoxifying these glands. And they contain, a lot of these fruits contain antioxidants, flavonoids. Look at the colors of these fruits. So they're very, very powerful. And what we want to do is, when we're wanting to take out mucus, we're wanting to hydrate the body and give the body as much vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and water. Because so many of us are dehydrated, we're acidic, full of mucus. And when, if you're like me and you've been drinking a lot of alcohol through the years, there's going to be a lot of mucus around the liver to protect the liver from the acidic alcohol, or maybe medications. So we really want to look at hydrating the body. And remember, what you don't eliminate, you accumulate in the body. So we really want to look at hydrating the body and opening up our areas of elimination. So getting our bowels to move, getting our bowels cleaned up. And sometimes you may have to transition, and that's okay. And just start, with having some fruit for breakfast, having a big bowl full of grapes or cherries or melons, whatever you prefer. Some people have to take it slow just because the detox symptoms may be, quite powerful and you may have quite the detox symptoms. So it's okay to take it slow, and I'm here for you if you guys have any questions. I'm going to be rolling a lot more about this because it is so important, and it was so important in getting those ovarian cysts out that I had. So I wanted to really hydrate the body, keep it very, very high alkaline, alkalize the body with these astringents and these antioxidants and flavonoids. So we're really looking at overdosing on nutrition, and that's going to be your whole foods hit from the sun, from Mother Nature. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos, and we will catch you in the next one. As always, be your beautiful selves. Be getting in some fruits. Be getting in some nature today. When you do that, we will all be rising.